There is a place in the Atlantic Ocean where time acquires a new dimension. A place where the history of the past is still present, building on what has been learnt to create a better future. This place is called Santa Cruz de La Palma, a city enchanted by its people, its tradition and its patrimony. Even though the ocean stretches as far as the horizon, losing touch with the outside world has not been an issue. In fact, it's had quite the opposite effect. Santa Cruz de La Palma has been shaped by the many different cultures throughout the centuries, which have all contributed to its appearance. With its prominent artistic and architectural patrimony, a result of a magnificent past, visitors have no excuse to acquaint themselves with a city which will leave them captivated by its beauty. It's easy to be mesmerized by its charming, distinctive streets, to lose yourself in the narrow back streets or discover its picturesque postcard settings. Everything, its charming colors, tastes and smells, create a rich atmosphere in which you can relax and enjoy. It is not chance that Santa Cruz de La Palma is not far from the stars, a place where dreams come true, where everything is possible, and the magic makes it more palpable. The magic happens every 5 years in La Bajada de la Virgin de Las Nieves celebrations, the reenactment of the best-kept secret of the capital by the townspeople, La Danza de los Enanos, literally the dance of the dwarves, is a performance in which 24 troubadours transform themselves from costume-clad actors into dancing dwarves to the music of the polka dance, much to the delight and fascination of the public. And you know what? Santa Cruz de La Palma has many unexpected surprises and hidden treasures waiting for its visitors. But like the majority of feelings you can't explain with words or even pictures, the best thing to do is come and experience it for yourself. Discover the hidden beauty.